Hello, dear friends. Today we will discuss NVS 2019 Pgt Chemistry question paper. It will be very much helpful to get the idea about the exam, what type of questions comes, and what type of preparation it require. So let's start. Hybridization of NiCl4 2 minus. Here you can see NiCl4, total 4 chlorine is there. So if 4 chlorine is there, then it will be sp3, 1s and 3p, and it is low spin ligand, right? If suppose there is carbonyl group, ammonia group, or cyanide group, then only it will be opposite to that. That means dsp2 will be happen if instead of chlorine cyanide group is there. So if cyanide, cobalt, carbonyl and ammonia group is not there, then simply you will identify types of hybridization by coordination number of ligand. So it will be sp3. Sorry. Next one is IUPAC name of K4FeCN whole 6. So here the IUPAC name you can see. The first we will write the name of metal, cation, so potassium, then ligand. How many ligand? Hexa ligands are there. Hexacyano, it's a negative ligand cyano, and ferrate. Why it is ATE? Because the complex ion is negatively charged. So it is potassium hexacyanoferrate will be the right answer. Next one you will see which of the following are the guanese metal. So this is the guanese metal group, copper, silver and gold. Next question, what is the decreasing order of bond angle? Here you can see the answers already shown in this video. So methane, ammonia and water. So decreasing order of bond length, that means the compound which have more or bigger bond angle will be placed at the first. So methane, then ammonia and then water. The reason is in ammonia there is nitrogen. Okay, so in nitrogen there is one lone pair of electron, but in water there is oxygen, which is more electronegative than the nitrogen, as well as it has two lone pair of electrons. So the bond angle reduces from methane to water. Next question is the wave function psi represent. Psi, what psi represents? Psi represent amplitude function. Okay. Next question is this is dibromopropane when reacted with zinc. What will happen when it reacts with the zinc? So zinc changes dibromopropane into cyclopropane. Cyclopropane structure is like this, single bond, and in each corner there is CS2. Okay. Next question is Agoy valence help in determination of. What type of determination can be done by the Agoy valence? It's used to determine magnetic susceptibility. Next question is in which process no heat enter or leaves the system during any step? In any step, which type of system will not allow heat to enter or leaves from the system? So it must be adiabatic system. Next question is which of the following is correct decreasing order of ionic radii? Here you can see ionic radii, order of ionic radii is strontium, calcium, indium and stannous or tin, you can say. This will be the correct decreasing order of ionic radii. That means strontium have bigger ionic radii than the calcium 2 plus, then calcium have bigger ionic radii than the indium 3 plus. Indium 3 plus have greater ionic radii than the stannous or tin 4 plus. Next question, what is the relation between the equilibrium constant KEQ and free energy? So here we need to tell about the relation between free energy and equilibrium constant. The mean connection or the relation between free energy and equilibrium constant is standard free energy change is equal to minus 2.303 RT log KEQ, where R is gas constant and T is temperature, K is equilibrium constant, and del G 0 is del G naught, or you can say is change in standard free energy change. Okay, next question is high spin complex have high spin complex always you will get P greater than del. So next question is which product is formed in the following reaction? Here you can see methyl iodide is there reacting with sodium, right? What will happen? We will get ethane plus NaI. It's a Woods reaction if you have remember. So next question is the correct Bragg's equation for a first order reflection is represented by. So Bragg equation for first order we will represent by lambda equal to 2d sine theta. This will be the correct answer. Next question is which of the following is correct regarding an exothermic reaction? In exothermic reaction, which statement will be the right one? Here you can see del H, that means change in enthalpy should be negative in exothermic reaction. In endothermic reaction, what will happen? Change in enthalpy will be positive. Next question is which of the following compound has the highest melting point? Here we are talking about the melting point that we need to learn. Hydroquinone will be the right answer. Next question is what is the intermediate in following reaction? Here you can see what is this compound CH3CH double bond CH CH3. So it will be 2-butene, right? 2-butene reacting with ozone. So what will happen when alkene react with ozone? Here they have also one compound CHO you can say. So acetaldehyde is formed. Here they ask what is intermediate. Intermediate, what name of intermediate compound will be ozonide. The ozone will be attached over here and ozonide will be formed, and then later on it will be changed into acetaldehyde. Next question is what is the correct decreasing order of boiling point? Boiling point का decreasing order क्या होगा? So here you can say pentane, isopentane and neopentane. In the pentane you will get straight chain. In isopentane you will get branch chain, and tertiary carbon will be present. Here primary or secondary carbon will be present. But in neopentane you will get quaternary carbon, right? So as soon as we increase the branching, then what will happen? The boiling point will decrease, right? As much as the branching increase, boiling point decrease. So here we can say in pentane there is no branching, so its boiling point will be greater than isopentane. Isopentane have greater boiling point than neopentane. So boiling point decrease as increase in the branching. Next question is which of the following compound is the milk sugar? In milk sugar, what will happen? You might know we can change milk into curd, right? Curd में change कर दे. In curd we can change milk, we can change into curd, and in curd there is lactic acid, right? Lactic acid. Curd is sour in taste, so acids are sour in taste. So how lactic acid is formed by milk? Because milk has lactose. Lactose sugar is present in the milk. So when it changes into acid, it is called lactic acid. In that way, you can remember. Now, next question is according to Bronsted-Lowry constant concept, a base is a substance. Bronsted-Lowry concept which has tendency to accept electron, right? Base will accept the electron according to Bronsted-Lowry concept. Next question is which is the highest oxidation state of metal in the fourth period? In fourth period, highest oxidation state of metal. In fourth period, we will have d block element also, and in d block element we have manganese. In manganese, we will get +7 oxidation state. This will be highest, that is not shown by the iron 2. Chromium, it will not show +7 oxidation state. Osmium also will not show the +7 oxidation state. Now here we can say which of the following is an intensive property. Intensive property which depend on the matter, the nature of the matter. So it will be temperature. Next question is, what is the number of skeletal electron pair in B5H9? B5H9, in B5H9, number of skeletal electron pair will be 7. It is electron deficient species, boron. Next question is, which of the following amino acid contain the hydroxyl group? Hydroxyl group is present in serine. Next question is, which of the following is sublimation reaction? In sublimation reaction, what will happen? Entropy and volume, right? Both will be at equilibrium. Next question is, magnetic moment of Cr2 plus. Cr, you know, the atomic number of Cr is 24, right? So here we will have 281, okay, and here it is 11, I suppose, 10, 11, 21, and it is 22. Here it will be 13, right? So here we can say the magnetic moment of Cr2 plus is 4.9 pm. Next question is, saponification is a process of, saponification जो process है वो क्या होगी? Formation of amide, formation of ester और hydrolysis of ester, right? In saponification process, hydrolysis of ester will be taking place. What is the correct observed electronic configuration of molybdenum? Molybdenum, correct electronic configuration, molybdenum is 42 atomic number. So here we will find 36, krypton 36, 541 and 5s42. So it will be the right one. Next question, the Gibbs-Helmholtz equation is represented by del Z, free energy change equal to enthalpy plus temperature del T, del G upon del T power P. Next question is, glucose and mannose are C2 epimers. Next question is, select the option showing how to prepare BNX from B2S6. BNX we will prepare by B2S6 diborane. So the right answer will be by excess of ammonia. If we react diborane, if we heat diborane in the excess of ammonia, we will get BNX product. Next question is, the unit of normality are. Normality unit is gram equivalent per liter. Gram equivalent per liter is the unit of normality. Next question is, which is the simplest alpha amino acid? Alpha amino acid simplest is glycine. Next question is, which of the following is colorless? Colorless or diamagnetic? Two properties are resemble with each other, and similarly colorful and paramagnet. So if we get the unpaired electron, then the complex will be paramagnetic and colorless. If we get the paired compound, then the complex will be colorless and diamagnetic. So here they ask about the colorless. So here this compound will be diamagnetic as well as colorless. Here we will see which of the following is a diamagnetic complex. Diamagnetic complex, here the right answer is tetrachloro platinum platinate 2. This will be the right option. Next question is, which of the following compound is paramagnet? O2 is paramagnet, right? How we will identify O2 is paramagnetic or diamagnetic. Simply you will write the electronic configuration like 2 and 6. 6 we will get second S2 and 2p4. Okay, in 2p4 total number is sigma and sigma star, yani bonding and anti-bonding orbital will be 2p4. Here also we will have 2s2. So total number of electron in p4, if you look into how many number of electron is there, there is 8 electrons, right? So 3 electrons will be filling, 6 electrons will be filling over here, and 2 electrons will be left on the anti-bonding orbital. So here unpaired electron we will get, that is why it will be paramagnetic. Next question is, calcium carbide is hydrolyzed to form. What will happen when calcium carbide is hydrolyzed? We will get the acetylene by hydrolysis of calcium carbide. By hydrolysis of calcium carbide, remember we will get calcium, we will get acetylene. Next question is, what is the oxidation state of NiEN whole thrice 2 plus? Oxidation state, we need to identify the oxidation state, right? So here we will get the oxidation state plus 2. Next question is, which metal contain limonite mineral? Limonite mineral is the mineral for iron. Next question is, which spectral series suitable for Balmer series? Balmer series is fall on the visible region. Next question is, here is CH3 single bond C, triple bond CH3. So it is propine. When react with Grignard reagent CH3MgCl, what will happen? We will get methane. Next question is, which of the following does not obey EAN rule? EAN rule is not obeyed by BCO whole 6. Next question is, what is the structure of NiCl2 PPH3 whole twice? It will be tetrahedral because total number of ligand is 4, so that the hybridization will be sp3. Next question is, what is the unit for conductance? Conductance का unit क्या होता है? Siemens. Next question is, Charles' law is observed at constant pressure, right? At constant pressure, Charles' law is observed, and Boyle's law is observed at constant temperature. Ascorbic acid is vitamin C. Next question is, what is the stability order of inert gases? Inert gases का जो stability order है, right? वो है xenon, krypton and argon. Why? Because xenon is having similar ionization energy like oxygen. Next question is, which of the following is decreasing order of reducing strength of lanthanide? Lanthanide in reducing order is Sm2 plus, Yb2 plus, Eu2 plus. This will be the decreasing order, right? Next question is, what is the oxidation state of chlorine in Cl2O7? In Cl2O7, you can easily identify the oxidation state of chlorine is +7. Next question is, the nucleoside composed of adenine with beta D ribose. Beta D ribose के साथ जो nucleoside बनेगा वो है adenosine. Next question is, the pH of 1 × 10⁻⁹ molar HCl solution, right, is equal to 6.997. Next question is, which of the following is the decreasing order of oxidizing power of halogen? Oxidizing power of halogen, we know that the strong oxidizing agent is fluorine, then after fluorine, then bromine, then iodine. Next question is, which of the following is the correct increasing order of ionization energy? Ionization energy, correct increasing order. That means the small one, the least one will be placed at first. So here we can see krypton, though it is having the bigger size, so its ionization energy will be lower amongst argon, neon and helium. Next question is, eutectic mixture in a binary system have dash degree of freedom. Eutectic mixture in binary system is its degree of freedom will be 2. Binary system is there. For every 10 degrees Celsius rise of temperature, if we need to rise the temperature by 10 degrees Celsius, then what is the rate of reaction? The rate of reaction will be increased by twofold. Next question is cyclohexane react with diazomethane to produce. It will produce heptanone. Cyclohexane when reacted with diazomethane, methane is there, so one carbon is there, and cyclohexane, hexanone is there, so hexane is 6 plus 1, that means 7 heptanone we will get. Next question is in van der Waals equation, pressure correction is represented by P ideal equal to P observed plus P corrected. Next question is which of the following has the highest enthalpy of formation? Highest enthalpy of formation will be present in HF acid. Next question is select the product of the following reaction. BBr3 BBr3 when react with hydrogen, what we will get? We will get the boron H and as well as we will get hydrobromide acid. Next question is de Broglie relation is represented by de Broglie relation is represented by lambda equal to H by P. H upon P is the de Broglie representation. Next question and the last question of this video is what is the correct increasing order of boiling point of boron? In boron, the correct boiling point order will be B4 H10, B5 H9, B5 H11, B6 H10. So here you will see the increasing order. That means the less number of molecules present in the boron, it has least boiling point, and as soon as the number of boron increase, it also increase in the boiling point. So that's it from my side. Hope you enjoy this one. Thank you and all the best for your preparation. God bless you.